The following program contains dangerous stunts performed by professionals. Do not attempt to recreate or imitate any action seen in this program.
I'm gonna turn this off. I always forget my lights on. But what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another brand new video here on the YouTube platform. It's your boy S1000RR Rafa. Oh my god, we got an SP in the background. What's this about? And no, it's not what you're thinking. It's not Fast Lane D, just to let you know. But Mez just pulled up on this beautiful Ducati SP2, man. This thing's insane. Holy shit, look at those winglets, man. That matte carbon just stands out. But yeah, Mez just pulled up. He just took off his helmet, so I'll just show him here when we're about to take off. But I want to do a quick intro. And as you guys can tell, these two bikes, it makes my bike look like shit. But with that being said, we're gonna go do a quick loop, something that me and Mez haven't done in a minute. As you guys saw a couple of weeks ago, Mez had a little incident. Hey, what's going on, buddy? Nothing major on his end. On the bike, yeah, I mean, the bike needs a few things to get done to. But he got this beautiful bike as a loaner. Uninfluenced podcast run by a couple of buddy of ours, and obviously this bike belongs to them. And with that being said, we're gonna go out there, hopefully rip it a little bit, not too much. My bike, the tune, I'm not liking it. I do have to get a few things tweaked to it. Let's just look at this gorgeous bike. I think it's gonna be dark in here, so we'll just get to see it. Yeah, we'll just, oh my god, look at that, with the under Akapovich exhaust. I think it was beautiful. Single-sided swing arm, carbon wheels. You can't see it, man, it's too dark here with the sun. But anyways, let's lock it in. Let's drink a water maybe, and then let's take off real quick. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to go get a little ride in. Nothing big, so it's gonna be a very quick little vlog. But at my honest opinion, brother, this vlog's probably not even monetized because of what we're about to do. But I don't care, I'm posting it just so you guys can see Mez, the man himself. Oh my god, it sounds good. It sounds good, bro. probably wait for them to pull up, and after this, then it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Quick little vlog. Ain't nothing about it. I love that he's vlogging, bro. I love it. I love it, man. He's absent on IG, but he's been posting on YouTube, and I love that about him. Mess, everybody miss you, bro. Everybody DMs me asking me about you, and that's just love right there, you know? That's how you know this man has made an impact on the bike scene. Yeah, this video is definitely not getting monetized. At least I don't think so, unless we blur out the speeds and shit, but it's still not gonna work, I already know. So we're just gonna leave it at that, but I'm still gonna post it. I don't care. This is too much fun not to post. Luna just pulled up. She's out here from Miami, so we're gonna go do a shoot with her. Obviously, Mess, you know, he's gonna enjoy the Ducati, but we're gonna end the vlog here real quick. I think this might be a separate vlog, just to make it a little more interesting. But if you watched this video this far, guys, thanks so much for watching. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys for all the support and all the love, you know, obviously in the comment section. You guys always blasting it down there, so love you guys. Up until the next one, peace. Always subscribe.